Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'm going to share my tips to get glowing, hydrated skin. So let's start. First, you can look for ingredients in your skincare that can give you intense hydration like snail mucin. The Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum has a potent blend of 96% pure snail secretion filtrate, 2% peptide complex and niacinamide to give you that sought after glow, hydration and even tone skin. The snail mucin soothes dryness and irritation by keeping skin intensely hydrated. Peptides and niacinamide support skin barrier, boost collagen which helps with dark spots, pigmentation and uneven skin tone. The Derma Co also has come up with a smaller version of 30 ml of this serum that you can buy for just $3.99. I'm also loving their Snail Peptide 96 Under Eye Repair Cream that plumps and debuffs the under eye area, leaving it brighter and hydrated thanks to snail mucin. This quick absorbing cream also has 2% caffeine which reduces the appearances of puffiness and dark circles, while 1% peptides reduce puffiness and increase collagen production. With these two skincare products in your routine, you're gonna get hydrated skin that feels soft, glowing and radiant. And there is more to love about Derma Co. The Derma Co has empowered more than 20,000 students through their Young Scientist initiative. And every time you buy from Derma Co, they link your order to a child they help along with Bhumi. And now all the Derma Co products are fragrance free. And you also can use my code SHAMAPTI2024 to get additional 20% discount on Derma Co products on their official website. The Derma Co is also available on Purple, Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. The next thing I do is to use a honey mask. I'm from honey mask that feels so hydrating. You also can use honey that you have in your home. Keep this on for like say 30 minutes and wash it off, but remember to use honey on slightly damp skin. What I do, I use a toner, then I use the honey mask, because I have noticed when I use it on dry skin, it doesn't give that result that I get when I use this on damp skin, especially when I use it with humectant rich toners. You also can use the honey mask for your lips. It gives very good hydration. The next thing is toner layering. So what I'm doing, I'm using this clear textured toners first. That feels really soothing, and after that I'm following with milky textured toners. So I'm layering the toners for the better result for my skin, and this way it is working so good for my skin. In Korea they have this 7 skin method where they layer toner for 7 times. That is too much, I think. 2 times should be good, I think, especially if you're using different textured toners to target your skin concerns. That can be really effective. But you also can use one toner to layer if that works for you. Another thing you can do is to use creamy cleansers for morning. If you have really dehydrated skin, you can use foam based cleanser for evening time, and for morning you can use creamy, non-foaming or low foaming milky cleansers that can work well for you. And I have noticed when I do double cleansing in the evening, like I use this cleansing milk or cleansing balm or cleansing oil to do double cleansing, feels more hydrated. The last thing is to use occlusive based product. You can use all the humectant rich product on your skin, but you need to seal it. For that, try occlusives. There are people who use Vaseline to slug their skin, but it doesn't work for everyone. There are people who get reaction or they think it's too heavy. For them, they can use lightweight silicone based moisturizers, or also they can use light oils like squalane or jojoba, whatever works for you. Now we have many good moisturizers with balanced occlusive, then humectants and emollients in the formulation to give you the hydration and also lock the hydration. Otherwise you may face transepidermal water loss, so it's very important to lock the hydration. And also try to use lukewarm water. Don't use hot water while cleansing your skin, and do not use too much of exfoliants. Like, balance it out. Over exfoliation can lead to damaged skin barrier, which can eventually lead to transepidermal water loss. So balance things out. I really hope you find this to be helpful, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask me in the comments box. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.